So welcome along. This video is going to show you how to edit text and images on the website and also add in new text and images as well. So once you're in your Squarespace dashboard, so you've used your login details to get you into your homepage and you've got your dashboard up, you'll see your website on the right-hand side. And if you just start with, if you look across the top, it says edit, and there's also this little desktop view icon and mobile view icon, and this arrow pointing diagonally up towards the right hand side of the screen. So the desktop view is what we're in currently. Then if you click on the mobile icon, you'll see the screen snaps to being much more narrow, and that's how it appears on a mobile device. So it's kind of handy to design it both ways. So we want to be able to see how it's going to appear on desktop and on mobile view. And then the right hand diagonal pointing arrow is basically how it's going to appear live on your website. So when you click on that, that's how your website appears when it's live. So that's the kind of the current view, if you like. You'll notice if I scroll down, for example, this text is all crashing here when I'm in edit, but then when I click on the website live view, it appears correctly. So you just want to check in with that website preview button to make sure everything's how you want it to be before you publish any changes. Okay, so we're going to click on edit. And then when you scroll down on your website, so you have a little scroll down and you hover over any area, you'll notice the content blocks get highlighted in this blue kind of bounding box, and it tells you what the content block is. So it'll say button, it'll say text, it says image. In the top left hand corner, it basically tells you what is contained within that content block. So where we've got text, we're just going to go ahead, click into it, and you can just type. So add new text here. So if you want to replace anything or there's a typo, you can just go ahead, change the text. You've got the options of italicizing, bold. You can change the color here by changing the palette color. If you want, you can pick a custom color if it's not already in your palette. So that's really handy for your text. When you've made any change to absolutely anything on your site, if you're happy with how it is, once you've viewed it using the website preview button, you can go to done at the top and then hit save. If you've made a mistake and you've broken something, just hit discard changes and it will revert to the existing version. So what I would say is the same goes for images. When you hover over, so you click on edit, hover over the image that you would like to replace. And again, a pencil appears, the edit pencil. You can delete the existing image and then add a new image by clicking on this plus button. And you can either upload a file, which needs to be 500 KB or less so that it's optimized for website loading speed. Anything larger is going to slow down your website loading speed. Or you can select from the library. So these are all images that are already on your website. So if you've already uploaded something, it will appear here and you can just click on it and upload it. And then the final option when you're adding an image is to browse stock images. So you can find a free image of nature, say, or yoga, or whatever you would like, and you can have a little look through for some royalty stock images that might work for your own website. So those are the three options for changing images. And again, just hit either save or discard changes at the top left. So I'm going to discard that. And that's it. So that's how to amend your text and images. I'm on the next video going to show you how to add a new section and edit a section on website to add brand new content rather than replacing existing content.